Name. School name. Standard. From.
Abacus. Unicorn abacus stationery.
Now I am going to ask you one digit penty number questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
First question, set 0. 5, 1, minus 6, 5, 1, 2, minus 5, minus 3, 4, 5, minus 5, minus 3, 3, 5, minus 2, minus 2, minus 5, 3, 1, 5. That is very good. Next question, set 0. 1, 7, minus 3, minus 5, 9, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 4, minus 5, minus 2, 1, minus 3, 9, minus 8, 1, 1, 1, 5, minus 7. That is very good.